Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 or Fiat 500 Abarth. If you need to remove or replace key fob batteries, stay with us. We'll explain step by step how to do it and where to buy cheap battery foam. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to buy new parts, tools for your car, Fiat, guys, any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get them from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's explain how to do that now. Before we start, let me just tell you quick, guys, on Fiat 500. Okay, if you check our YouTube channels, we probably have more than 300 to 400 free repair videos. If you need help with anything, let us know, drop a comment below, and we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. So what we have here now, okay, let's come just, okay, like that with the camera. If you have a ring right here to hold your keys, you will need to remove it because we'll need to take the key apart. You're going to get, guys, a small screwdriver or panel removal tool. We're going to open the key, and here we're going to pry it a little bit. Okay, check this thing out now. Okay, you can see that plastic piece comes out. Very gentle not to break it because this is fragile. Okay, it comes out, guys, just like that. Now the back side is the same way. Okay, we're going to grab it. It comes on the front first, by the way, like that. Now we're going to come in an angle, come out of here, just move it, slide it out. Once you do that, right here we have one bolt. You can see where it says locked, and this way is unlocked. That's like a lock. We're going to go ahead, turn it this way. When you do that, you grab it here with a screwdriver. Okay, you need to make sure that it's unlocked all the way. And when you do that, okay, you pull it with the screwdriver. It comes in an angle like that. That is where your battery is located. You can see just like that. This is, guys, the battery. Now this is a 2032 battery. Okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. So we'll get a new one now. Okay, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and install it. So let's explain how to do that now. We need to go practically, guys, in reverse order, okay, that we took it apart. So we're going to grab that battery now. Okay, perfect. And we're going to install it here. The plus, where it says plus, needs to match with the plus of the battery. We're going to slide it this way. It comes now, okay, let me show you now. It comes to where, okay, you need to come, you can see that tooth needs to go inside. Okay, the tooth didn't go inside. You need to kind of like push a little bit down. When you come like that, close it, lock it. Perfect. Next step, we're going to put the back piece in. It goes like that. First that step, press it in. Now the outside piece goes next. Okay, and let's check, okay, if it works now. Okay, let's give it a try. Perfect. Okay, you can see everything works great. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.